Hello everyone. Welcome to Ecotourism and Stuff, the channel where we explore all things travel, adventure, and the exciting careers that bring these experiences to life. Today, we're diving into something super fun, the world of adventure and recreation careers. From guiding mountain climbs to leading whitewater rafting trips, these jobs are perfect for thrill seekers who want to turn their passion into a profession. So, whether you're into extreme sports or outdoor adventure, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest career trends in adventure tourism. Now, let's jump in. As an adventure travel specialist, you help others experience the thrill of exploration. From planning unique itineraries to guiding adventurous travelers, this job is perfect for those who love to travel and share their knowledge. Dive into your career as a scuba diving instructor. Teach others how to explore the underwater world while ensuring safety and enjoyment. This role combines teaching, adventure, and a love for marine life. If you love winter sports, becoming a ski instructor could be your dream job. Share your skills on the slopes while helping others learn and enjoy the thrill of skiing. Catch the waves as a surfing instructor. Guide beginners through the basics of surfing and help them ride their first wave. It's all about sun, sea, and fun. Take adventure to new heights as a paragliding instructor. Teach others to glide through the air, experiencing breathtaking views and the rush of flying. Feel the adrenaline rush as a bungee jumping guide. You'll ensure safety while helping thrill seekers take the leap of faith. It's all about pushing boundaries. As a mountain climbing guide, you lead adventurers on thrilling climbs, sharing expertise in safety, techniques, and the beauty of nature. It's the ultimate test of skill and endurance. For those who love the water, being a fishing guide is ideal. Help others catch their biggest fish while sharing tips and techniques in serene settings. Soar above the landscapes as a hot air balloon pilot. Experience the tranquility of flying while providing clients with unforgettable views and memories. Bring excitement to the treetops as a zipline instructor. Ensure safety while providing thrilling experiences high above the ground. It's all about adventure and fun. Navigate through wild waters as a whitewater rafting guide. Lead groups on thrilling adventures while teaching safety and teamwork on the river. Whether it's underwater on the slopes or soaring through the skies, a career in adventure and recreation offers endless opportunities for thrill seekers. Ready to embark on your adventure? Explore these careers today. Thanks for joining us on this adventure into the world of exciting careers in adventure and recreation. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more career insights and travel inspiration.